to CAMWorks Tips and Tricks. My name is Paul Ludwig, and we're going to be taking a look at predefined stock size. Inside of the software, we have this timing cover. I'm going to go ahead and set the stock up. Right-click and can edit. Now, a simple way to get some stock going is just doing a bounding box offset, but that can result in an unique stock size. Imagine that the shop would not be warm and fuzzy about this if we were to hand them these numbers for them to cut us some stock. So what we're going to do is make these nice round numbers. We're going to scroll back up to stock type and we're going to select predefined bounding box. As we scroll down, one thing I want to point out, there is a drop down and three little dots next to that where you can set up predetermined sizes in the technology database. But what we're going to do is just go ahead and modify these numbers right here. So for example, I want my length to be, let's say 200, and for the width, we're going to go 275, and then for this thickness, we'll make this 30. And what happens is I now have a nice stock that has all round numbers. I can also locate the part inside of that stock. Everything by default is set to center, but if I wanted to modify that, I can hit the drop down and change how that is oriented inside the stock. So this is a great way to have nice round numbers for your stock size. Thanks for watching our video. For more information, scan the QR code or click the link in the description.